Hi guys, trust we all doing great. This is a very lovely Monday afternoon. We already hit our profit this afternoon, trading gold with one simple strategy. From external range liquidity to internal range liquidity. So here on gold on the daily time frame, we can clearly see that price took out this external range liquidity here and came back for this internal range liquidity. And on Thursday last week, price failed to fill up this fill up this internal range liquidity and also giving us a new all-time high on gold. So on Friday, price tapped into this daily fair value gap, taking our previous day low, which is Wednesday low. So today being Monday, we're still in the daily fair value gap, still expecting price to expand to the upside. So here on 1 hour, I want to tell you guys how I was able to get my first entry on Friday. I was able to get my first entry on Friday, and this is our daily fair value gap. And we can clearly see this is the previous day low that price took out here. So I have this breaker block, price closing above the breaker block and coming back to it. I took my first entry on gold here. Took my first entry on gold. It wasn't really an easy one. It wasn't really that rosy. Okay, Friday, price was just dangling around, ranging. So this morning we have this expansion, and price created this fresh low here. Coming back to it, I went down to the 15 minutes time frame. Now here on the 15 minutes time frame, you can clearly see price took out this external range liquidity, taking out, can you can also call it a turtle soup, taking it out. So coming down to the 1 hour to the 1 minute time frame, sorry, this is what it looks like on a 1 minute time frame. I have this breaker block, price closing above it and retesting the breaker block. I took my second entry this afternoon. Now I didn't use this high, I used the overall high because I know price is going to give us another all-time high on gold. So I used this overall high here as my take profit, and this is how it played out. Now I was able to take my 35,000 naira account to 104,000 naira account, trading only one simple strategy from external range liquidity to internal range liquidity. Okay, you don't really need to complicate things. You need to make things easier and very simple to succeed in this industry. I'm sorry about that. To succeed in this industry. Okay, guys. So I'll have to give you a drawing of what I expect every day on the chart, which is this, right? So whenever price takes out external range liquidity, now just know that the next thing the market makers are going to do is to seek fair value, and that fair value is what we call our internal range liquidity. Is what we call our internal range liquidity. The next thing you're going to see price drop down into the internal range liquidity, and we want to seek another external range liquidity. So this is basically how I trade. Price moving from external range liquidity to internal range liquidity, or from internal range liquidity to external range liquidity. Now this is a clear example of this thing that I just told you guys here on the daily time frame. This is a clear example. I have to remove all this drawing. Remove all drawing. So have to show you guys a clear example of that. So here on gold, so what can we see? We can clearly see that price took out this external range liquidity here. Price took out this external range liquidity, and we have an internal range liquidity, which is our fair value gap. So let's see how it played out. This is how it played out, and that's how I was able to I've been following gold for a while. I've been following gold for a while. If you're following my analysis more often, you will know that what I'm saying is the truth. The same thing happened here. The same thing happened here. The same thing happened here, right? The same thing happened here. So I've been following gold for a very, very long time now, trading just one simple strategy. Okay. All right. See you guys tomorrow, or just see you guys later. All right. Bye, everyone, and enjoy the rest of your day.